This video shows you how to prime the CISS for Epson 13313X model. First of all, we get the ink and CISS, empty CISS, and we teach you how to refill the ink to it. Now first of all, you lie down, the bottle is like this, normal for normal use, but when you refill, you have to lie down like this. And remove this plug. See, remove it, and now open the ink. So we make sure we fill the white color of ink. So you lie down the bottle like this and squeeze the ink into the bottle. So when you refill it, no matter whether it's the first time or second time, you only refill the bottom part only, this part only. Don't fill up this part. This part's supposed to be empty. So now it's done. So you repeat the same process to other color of cartridge. For other color, this 3 color, repeat the same thing. Now we fill up all the bottles. So next step, when we need to prime the cartridge, just push the ink into here, because here has no ink as well. What we do now is put the ink bottle upright. We also prepare a piece of syringe. This one. This is syringe. On the cartridge side, first of all, we need to remove this this wire first. Disconnect from here first, and you prepare a piece of a thread screwdriver and remove this plug here. Just remove this plug here. Take it out like this. Just make sure you don't damage the chip. Okay, and this one is underneath here, so we'll be a bit careful, a bit of caution. Okay, now all 4 removed. Now you open up all this air hole. And pull the syringe like this and put through each color one by one, and you push the, here you can see the ink will go. You push it, you push the syringe, the ink will go inside to the cartridge. Now we watch this hole. You can see the ink coming up from this hole. Oh, sorry, this one. The black is this one. You can see that. So you can control it slowly. So after you see that they will fill up the cartridge, you can see, and you can control it up and down. So you won't make your hand dirty. So now it's like this, it's full now. So we'll put back the plug. You close the plug. So the yellow, the same thing. You watch this one. We push it, you can see the ink along the tube into the cartridge, and slowly fill up the cartridge inside. This process we call this process is a prime the cartridge. So you can see it coming, it's full now. So you can stop it. So all control from here, the syringe. So now we close the plug. So we do the same thing. the last one. Push it all the way slowly, and you observe this hole. Okay. Finish. And we connect this wire, this connector. Oh, now you finish. And the CISS is ready to install to the machine. This video shows you how to install the CISS to a brand new Epson NX130 printer. Now first we get the cartridge from the new package, and open the scanner cover, and the cartridge sitting here. As you can see, this very tiny space for the Epson. They make it very hard to install the CISS, and in this video we'll show you how to do it. First of all, we connect the power at the back. Once you connect the power, and you can start up the printer. You need to wait a bit and wait for it to start up, and also connect your printer to the computer. Use a USB. So now the printer is connected to the computer using USB. So on the cartridge, you tear off this protecting tape. So you can see the printhead card now stop here and ready for the cartridge installation. So you only can do one by one because there's only one space for each color. So you can do it in one go. So they make it very hard for us. Is for the CISS install. They don't want users to use CISS. So once you put in one, and you press this button, the red button here, and the card will move to the next position. And once you do it, and press this one again, and one by one, like that. And after that, then you will start the initialize process, and you need to wait for a few minutes. So we need to wait for a few minutes, and in the meantime, you can prepare some paper. Prepare some paper for testing. As you can see, it will take a while. And here it is just start up the printer. So this is a CISS. So you can actually put in from here. So later I will show you. We need to put in from here. I will show you in the video later. Now we start to do a test print. It might take a while for the first page to come out. It's printing now. As you can see, you get a very good print. Okay, now we can start to install the CISS. First of all, keep the power running like this. The first thing you need to do you can see this little panel here. This one, we need to remove it. To remove is very easy, just bend a little bit. And take it out, like that. Alright, now you have a look inside the printer. See, that's the place that the print has sitting. Okay. So now, because now the printer is sitting here, we can move it. It's locked now, so we have to take it out first, make it moving first, and stop the power straight away. Now we press this button. You can hear some sound of the printer moving. You straight away pop up the power cord at the back. Power off now, straight away. Once you power off, you can see the printer is not in the original position anymore. Then now you can move it like this. Okay. So just remember, press this button and hold it for a while, and after you hear some sound, and straight away unplug the power cord here. Unplug it here, and you can move by your hand now. See? Okay, now we move the print head. We move the print head to this side, and now we get the CISS cartridge, this one, and put in there. From here. Put in there. So we can touch in here. So we can get it off from here. Okay, like this now. So the cord coming out from here to here. Alright, now we let this one sitting like this first, because we need to start up the printer again. So now let the CISS cartridge like this, pull in like this, otherwise you will block the printhead moving when I start up the printer. So you leave it like this. And then now we plug in the power cord now. Okay, we turn on the printer. And you might take a while for the printer to start up again. Until you get a solid green line, the printer not moving, that means good. It's still flashing now. Okay, now the printer is ready. In your computer there, we go, ink cartridge replacement. You go file, you go start, printer and faxes, and choose your printer. Choose your printer and right click, printer preferences. You click maintenance here on the tab, and you click on the ink cartridge replacement. So you ask you some questions here. Okay. So in the printer here, the cartridge will move to ink cartridge replacement position. Now, because we need to do one by one because there's only one space for us. So we take the blue out, and you press next, press here, yellow, and press again, and the red, and the black. So we because this one is 4 cartridges in one piece, we can put in there straight away. So we press again. So now it's without cartridge, and eventually the print card will come back here and ask you to put in cartridge. So you will stop here and you press this one again, and the print card will come back. So now we can do it. So you do like this. You put in like this. This cartridge is designed for us to install the way like this, because it's the Epson is designed. This designed this tiny space for us. So we have to do like this. So now it's in, and you press it until you hear, or make sure you show. Until you press it, you make sure everything in place. So everything in place. First, make sure it's very important that make sure the clip here is in place to lock it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, at the bottom of the printer here, you hold this cord. So also make sure the cord is not twist or something. Make sure, have a look. It's very smooth, the cord. So you take a look here. At the bottom here, the cord is very smooth. Yeah. See, like this, smooth, not twist or. Okay. So now you use your hand to hold up this for a while, because now we start let the printer moving. So the printer is still 4. We put in the cartridge one by one. So you need to press 4 times or 3 times here. 1. So you will move. 2. Move again. 3. So you just do it, and you hold this one. Later on we put something to stick here. So now the printer start to recognize the CISS. So in the meantime, you need to open the air hole here. One on external bottle. Here. External bottle, we open the air hole. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open all of them here. Otherwise the ink won't get into the cartridge. Remember, you put the ink bottle on the same table. Never higher or lower. Same. Low higher, low lower. Same. You don't even put something underneath to make it higher. Like this? No. Always on the same table. So now the printer start recognize the cartridge, the CISS. So you can see, you can see the print head is going left and right, and you can measure how much length for this tube we can stick on. So we just make sure we give the tube a suitable length. So we can put a holder here to hold it. So like this. So now you get a solid green light again. So we do a press print. So if If you find the pin is moving not very smooth, so you just check the length of the tip, and or also check are they twist. So to make sure they going very smooth. So you will find out a way how to make them smooth, moving smoothly. Depends on the printer model. Again, get really good print. So this is video for how to set up a CISS for the NX130 and Epson 133 cartridges printer.